Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start, reminders muna tayo na hindi ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. So just take only what resonates here with you, guys. At meron kayong free will, malaya kang gamitin yan. So, at tayong gender ba ay lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, of course. And, okay, ano pang hinihintay natin? Alamin na natin kung anong meron dito mga posibleng maging kaganapan here for you, Cancer. So, spirits and angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for me, Cancer people, please. By the way mga babes, no, ko po yan. At kung interested kayo, meron pa tayong other channels na pwede mong tambayan. Ang mga links ay nasa description box. Thank you so much. Just take only what resonates, okay? This is for Cancer. Tell me something about me, Cancer people, please. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out for you, Cancer. So let's see. First message we've got right here for you guys is this Strength card energy. But for some reason, I'm picking up that this is not you. This is the energy here of someone strongly connecting to you. This person here, natatakot siya, no? Parang wala siya ritong courage or strength na kausapin ka. Actually, nakita ko na nahihiya siya, no, sa kanyang energy. Nahihiya siya sa'yo. Maybe this person here did something wrong with you. Maybe meron siya ritong mistake or kasalanan sa'yo. This person here really wants to come forward and, speak to you, reach out to you, communicate to you. Pero this person here, no, hindi pa sapat ang kanya ritong lakas at hindi pa siya rito malakas yung kanyang loob, no, hindi pa, no? So this person here is filling up that courage battle niya, no, inside sa sarili niya, no, para makalapit na siya sa'yo. Cancer, kung sino man siya, I think may kasalanan siya sa'yo. Kung kailan ito, pwedeng iba-iba, no? Kasi mix ang nakukuha natin dito. Pero in short, maaaring may kasalanan siya sa'yo, mataas ang posibilidad. Pero kung kailan nangyari yon, no? Yung iba siguro pwedeng kay tagal na, yung iba naman pwedeng recently lang. At parang para mahiya siya ng ganito. Kasi ang laki ng nakikita ko ritong pagkahiya galing sa kanya, no? So, ibig sabihin, parang siguro meron siya ritong nagawa sa inyo, no, na hindi niya akalain, no, na ikakahiya niya pala ng bongga ngayon or ikakadismaya niya, no, ngayon. Yan. So, this person here is actually having challenge and difficulties, no, sa paglapit sa'yo. But soon this person will, okay? Another message we're getting from here, Cancer, is the Five of Wands energy. Meron akong nakikita rito, no, na kompetisyon na paparating rito sa inyo. Pero kung ano tong kompetisyon na to, nakikita kong buong tapang mo yung haharapin. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa trabaho, no, or ibang issue with other people. Pero there's a strong energy that this is something here, competition. Ewan ko kung may sasalihan ba kayong contest, baka meron kayo ritong running kayo for promotion sa trabaho ninyo, or baka meron kayong competitors kung business kayo. Alam niyo naman, okay, meron ditong pare-parehas na business, no? So, whether you are entrepreneur, whether you are someone working in a company, or meron kayo rito sasalihang contest, or patimpalak, no? Nakikita ko rito na hindi kayo natatakot dyan. Kasi you have here all of the courage, no? At you have all the tools right here that you need para magwagi dito. So, in short, mataas ang chance ng laban mo. In short, mataas rin yung chance na magwagi ka. Cancer. Yan, hindi ko alam kung anong klase yan, pero nakikita ko rito na kahit na may mga kumukumpetensya sa'yo, lumalabas pa rin na ikaw yung mas may ibubuga. Yan. Kailangan may hangin talaga. Ibubuga. Diba? So another message right here is we have here the Six of Swords energy for you, Cancer. So nakita ko dito mga babes, no, that with this one, I'm feeling that this is you, mukhang hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta. Baka may sinisimulan ka diyan, may ginagawa ka ritong something na bago. At kahit hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari rito, nararamdaman mo na posibleng maganda yung kahinatnan nito. So in short, meron kang ginagawa rito or baka may pinaplano ka rito na gawin, hindi mo nakikita pa yung pinakadulo nito. Pero dahil sinusunod mo ang iyo ritong intuition at ang pakiramdam mo rito na posible itong magdala ng maganda or possible na swerte sa buhay mo, nakikita kong pinu-push mo ito. Kahit hindi mo pa ito nagawa before, hindi mo pa ito na-try before, this is something here new, this is something here brand new. Whether it has something to do with love or commitment or relationship or connection or business or money or coins related, whatever, nakikita ko rito na sinusunod mo rito ang intuition mo, no? At nakikita ko that you're trusting the process, okay? Hinahayaan mo ang iyong mga angels and spirit guides to guide you all the way to this at nakikita ko na hindi mo sinasayang ang tsansang ito, kundi nakikita ko na sumasabay ka sa daluyong or agos nito dahil for some reason you feel like that this is something here na posibleng magdala rito ng positibong changes or pagbabago sa iyong buhay. Ayan, okay? Ganda guys, no? Kaya kung ano man yung pinupush mo, push na. Kasi nakikita ko rito na maganda ang posibilidad na outcome or kahihinatnan niyan, no? So, tuloy-tuloy lamang, no? Isa pang mensaheng nakita ko here is this, that energy. This death energy right here is actually posibleng meron dito mag-e-end or nag-end rito na situation sa side mo. Pero nakita ko na posibleng tapos na to. Okay? For a lot of you, posibleng tapos na to. Kaya nakikita ko rito na mukhang dinadala ka na rito no, ng, ng mga pangyayari ngayon sa life mo, no, sa mga pathway na dapat mong daanan. Okay? This horse right here is the white horse. And the white horse is something here, no? Yan yung animal na padala ni universe, no? Para i-guide ang human being dun sa pathway kung saan sila dapat mapunta. And in this white horse right here is now showing up in your energy. Okay? And look at this one. Isn't it looks like a shield right here? So whatever the case may be, you are being protected by your guides and angels at maaaring yung mga loved ones mo rin no na mga hindi mo na nakakasama physically in this world like departed loved ones, ancestors mo, mga ninuno no or mga people right here that no longer in your life no like their body is not here anymore but their soul continues to protect you. So nakikita ko 'no, na malaki yung kinalaman rin nila, kung bakit rito naglabas na or lumabas na ang iyong white horse 'no. Ibig sabihin meron na ritong mga new beginnings na nakalatag, naka-fall in line 'no, na matahak mong daan. So nakikita ko rito na talagang papunta ka 'no, dun sa mga bagay rito na worth investing, 'yan. So puwedeng naging madilim yung mga nakaraan mo or puwedeng naging madilim rito 'no, yung daan na tinahak mo before, pero tapos na yun. Maaaring yun yung nakikita nating nagtatapos dito, For some reason hindi ko alam kung maaaring nanakawan ka ba before or posibleng pera yun, materyal na bagay, alahas, jewelries, mga ganyan. Alahas, jewelries? English Tagalog Dictionary. So, yun yung nakikita ko dito na posibleng, nanakawan kayong literal ng gamit, pero I think nanakawan kayo rito ng mas malaki pa dun or higit pa dun. Puwedeng nanakawan kayo before ng happiness 'no, or nanakawan kayo before ng heart. Maybe someone here did something here bad with you and maaaring yun yung person kanina na tinutukoy natin at puwedeng may halo rin ang kanyang energy dito. Gayunpaman, hindi naman yun importante. Ang importante ay papasok ka na sa mga new beginnings na 'to 'no, ng iyong life. New beginnings right here brings rebirth 'no, at parang pakiramdam mo rito isinilang ka ulit ng iyong nanay sa mundo. Okay, which means your life will never be the same anymore, Cancer. You are about to experience here something fresh, something new. Yan, 'no? Puwedeng new love life, new career, new job, new business right here, new connections, new friendships, new everything. Yan, 'no? So, yun nakikita ko dito for you guys 'no, and for some reason, mas nagsa-stand out yung pera or money diyan sa mga something niyo. Yan. Yung iba nakikita ko na yung swerte at layag ay papunta sa banyagang bansa. So, ibig sabihin, sa ibang bansa yun, no? Kasi nakita ko ng ibang uri ng pera, like hindi pera ng normal ninyong nakikita. Okay? It's not a peso. It's a different currency for others of you. Yan, ang bongga, 'di ba? So, nakikita ko dito na kung saan man yan, maganda ang ekonomiya at maganda rin ang flow ng money. Yan. Grab the opportunity. Yeah, 'di ba? Sun is the happiness, happiness, bliss, okay? That joy, that delight, no? Ito yung pinakamagandang energy sa tarot, okay? The sun. The stars are aligning, the planets are aligning, divine timing is here, happiness is on its way towards you, and I'm seeing right here that you are in between two worlds. Anong ibig mo sabihin, Miss Yan? Lahat tayo may pangarap, meron ka, 'di ba? At kung ano yung pangarap mo, alam mo magdadala ng happiness yun sa'yo. Yung hindi lang basta ngiti, kundi buong galak na talagang manunuot sa bawat kalamnan mo. Yung saya na hindi mo kayang i-describe sa salita lang, tama? Ibig sabihin ng in-between worlds, nakita mo ba to? Nakakita ka ng dalawang Roman numeral number 10 at sa gitna ay may Roman numeral number 1. So napapagitnaan ka rito no, ng something had ended and something new beginning. So nasa gitna ka na, wag kang umistap mga mahal, no, tuloy-tuloy lang ang paglayag at ang daluyong, no. Hayaan mong dalhin ka, no, trust the process right here dito sa mundo, no, na talagang para sa'yo. You are now being taken to the life that you never imagined you can have. And now is the time for you to experience this. Wow, luxuries. Ibig sabihin, no, may chance na makuha mo yung mga luxurious in life, no? Ano man yun. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, money, money, money. Money talaga ang nagsa-stand out dito, no? Isa ang pera sa mga magagandang magpapabago sa buhay mo. Bongga, diba? So, wow. We also have here this page of one's energy and emotional news is coming towards you and an emotional news na ibig sabihin nun magandang balita yon with the page of wands. Pwedeng galing sa bata or mas bata sa iyo by age pero sa mas napipick up ko galing sa isang individual na nagmamahal ng bonggacious sa iyo. Whether this is an upcoming confession right here of someone who secretly admires you if you're single. Or maybe this is someone here you love from a distance, okay? You never thought that this person will definitely fall in love with you, but he or she really fell in love with someone like you, Cancer. And this is great news for your heart. I'm picking up that your heart will definitely jump, no, sa iyong chest right here, no, at bibilis ang pagkabog nito dahil masaya ka. Kung ano man ito, no, na good news na ito, may kinalaman yan sa love life mo at nakikita ko na may pera ka na, may love life ka pa. San ka pa? So, kung ano man ito, Cancer, wow, I love what I'm seeing here for you guys. You're really heading towards happiness right here. And I'm seeing you dwelling into this very, very beautiful new beginnings here in your life. And we have here this, yeah, 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 yeah. You're definitely starting here great. You're starting here something stable here for your life, permanent right here. And you're doing really, really well. So, keep up the good work right here. Ano sabihin, pero pwedeng meron kayong alagang pet. Could be dog, cat, rabbit, any animal, fish, or whatever. Someone here could be a pet lover. Okay? For some reason, pwedeng nature lover din yung iba. And I do see that this is you, yung mas magiging sandata mo, no, para mas mapaunlad ang sarili mo ay ang iyong isipan, okay? Maaring hindi mo alam or hindi ka aware no, na matalino ka talaga, okay? Cancer, nakikita ko rito na marami pang success ang nakaabang sa'yo, no? At marami ka pang madidiscover na katilinuhan dyan sa isipan mo, no? So, for some reason, okay, hindi pa kayo gising 'no, dun sa mga parang mga bagay rito na magpapaunlad sa'yo. Okay, nasa isipan mo pala 'yan. Ibig sabihin meron ka ritong, katalinuhan 'no, kung saan magagamit mo 'yan para mas pagyabungin pa yung buhay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo 'no. So, iba kasi 'di ba parang alam lang nila, okey naman yung brain ko, gumagana naman. Okey naman, may achievements naman ako sa school dati 'no, hindi yun, okey? Matalino ka, eh. Yang mga iniisip mo ay puwedeng mag-shape ng iyong future pa into more beautiful yung nakikita natin dito. Ibig sabihin marami kang madidiskubre na magaganda diyan 'no, sa iyong brain, sa iyong thoughts 'no, yan yung nakikita kong makatutulong para mas ma-expand mo pa itong mga magagandang oportunidad na 'to, lalo na sa money, money, money. Yan yung nakikita ko here for you, Cancer. Wow! So, use it really well. Use it as well to improve yourself more. And of course, do not forget to be grateful, okay, with all of the things right here because that's one of the key, okay, that your life, okay, is magiging mas better. So, thank you so much, Cancer, and Saranghaeyo Love and Light. Claim this beautiful message because I know you deserve this one. And Saranghaeyo Love and Light. Annyeong.